before a World Cup goal shocks millions, before a stadium erupts with celebration. Before the world's greatest players step onto the pitch, a different story begins thousands of miles away. A story of skill, precision, and trust. Hidden inside the city of Sialkot, Pakistan, the footballs, used on football's biggest stage, begin their incredible journey to the world. The heartbeat of world football. The FIFA World Cup is more than a tournament. It is one of the biggest sporting events on earth. Billions of people watch it. Millions wear their team colors with pride, and every 4 years the world comes together for one game. But while the spotlight shines on the stadiums of the USA, Mexico, and Canada in 2026, very few people know where the story truly begins. The journey starts in Pakistan, more specifically in the city of Sialkot, a city that many football fans have never heard of. Yet this city produces most of the world's premium footballs. For decades, Sialkot has been known for its craftsmanship, dedication, and manufacturing excellence. Many of the footballs used by top brands and major tournaments have their roots here. This is not just an industry. It is a tradition passed down through generations. Their mission is simple: to ensure every football meets the highest standards of quality, reliability, and international expectations. Because when the world is watching, perfection matters. Why Sialkot became the football capital of the world. The story of football manufacturing in Sialkot goes back more than a century. What started as a small local craft slowly grew into a global industry. Over the years, workers perfected their skills. Factories improved their technology. Quality standards became stronger. Today, Sialkot is recognized around the world for producing high-quality footballs that are shipped to nearly every continent. Thousands of skilled workers contribute to this industry every day. Their work combines experience, precision, and attention to detail. What makes Sialkot unique is its ability to combine traditional craftsmanship with modern manufacturing technology. This balance is one of the reasons global sports brands continue to trust the city. But creating a world-class football is not as simple as it looks. Every football that goes through a long journey before it is ready for the biggest matches in the world. The making of a world-class football. Everything starts with materials. The outer surface must be strong, smooth, and durable. Special synthetic materials are selected to handle powerful kicks, changing weather conditions, and intense match situations. Once the materials arrive, large sheets are prepared for production. The football panels are then cut with precision. Every panel must match exact measurements. Even a small mistake can affect the ball's performance. Next comes one of the most important stages: assembly. This is where craftsmanship truly comes alive. Some footballs are made using traditional hand stitching. Skilled workers carefully stitch each panel together with remarkable precision. Their hands move with years of experience and practice. Each stitch plays an important role in the strength and shape of the football. At the same time, modern manufacturing has introduced thermal bonding technology. In this process, panels are bonded together using heat and pressure instead of traditional stitching. This creates a smoother surface and helps improve water resistance and consistency. The contrast is fascinating. On one side, experienced craftsmen using techniques learned over generations. On the other, advanced machinery designed for maximum precision. Different methods, one goal: creating a football that performs perfectly. Where quality becomes everything. Making a football is only half the story. The real challenge is making sure every football performs exactly as expected. This is where quality control becomes critical, because quality is not something that happens by accident. It is checked, tested, measured, and verified. Every football must meet strict standards before it can move forward. The inspection process begins with visual checks. Experts examine the football carefully. They inspect the seams. They check the surface. They look for any small imperfections. Even tiny details matter. Next comes weight testing. A professional football must fall within a specific weight range. Too heavy and it changes the way players control it. Too light and performance becomes unpredictable. Roundness is another important factor. A football must maintain its shape perfectly. If the shape is inconsistent, the ball may not travel correctly during a match. Air retention testing is equally important. The football is inflated and monitored. The goal is simple. The ball must hold air properly and maintain consistent performance. Every test helps answer one question: can this football perform on the world's biggest stage? Because once it reaches a professional match, There is no room for mistakes. That is why inspection, monitoring, and quality assurance remain essential parts of the entire process. Meeting global standards, the modern football industry operates at an international level. Customers expect consistency. Brands expect reliability. Professional competitions demand excellence. This means manufacturers must follow strict quality requirements. From materials and construction methods to performance testing and durability checks, every stage must meet professional expectations. The football industry in Sialkot has continuously evolved to meet these demands. Factories have invested in technology. Production methods have improved. Quality systems have become stronger. The result is a manufacturing ecosystem trusted by customers around the world. For international buyers, trust is everything. A football's journey doesn't end when it leaves the factory. After being manufactured in Pakistan, many footballs begin a remarkable trip across the world. Shipped by sea container to major markets and World Cup host nations like the USA and Mexico, the journey can take around 5 weeks before reaching players and stadiums. From factory floor to global stadiums, once production and inspection are complete, a new journey begins. The logistics journey. Many people never think about what happens after a football leaves the factory. But this stage is just as important as manufacturing itself. Each football is carefully packed, orders are organized, documentation is prepared, export requirements are verified, shipping schedules are coordinated. Everything must be managed carefully. A delayed shipment can create major problems for brands and retailers. That is why logistics is more than transportation. It is planning, coordination, problem solving, and reliability. From Sialkot, footballs travel across oceans and continents. Some are shipped to Europe, others to North America. Many will eventually reach the countries hosting the 2026 FIFA World Cup, the USA, Mexico, Canada. What begins in a Pakistani factory eventually arrives in some of the most important football destinations in the world. This is where we help simplify the process. Managing sourcing, inspections, documentation, and export support allows clients to focus on growing their business while we handle the complexity behind the scenes. More than a product, a football is more than stitched panels and synthetic materials. It carries stories. Stories of workers, stories of families, stories of generations who have dedicated their lives to mastering this craft. Behind every finished football is human effort. Someone cut the panels. Someone stitched the seams. Someone inspected the final product. Someone prepared it for export. Thousands of people contribute to making a single football ready for the global market. And that is what makes this industry special. It connects local talent with international opportunities. It creates jobs, it supports communities, and it allows Pakistani craftsmanship to reach every corner of the world, from Sialkot to the World Cup. As the world prepares for the 2026 FIFA World Cup, fans will focus on the players, teams, and unforgettable moments. They will celebrate goals. They will remember victories. They will witness history. But long before those moments happen, another team has already done its job. The craftsmen, the inspectors, the logistics experts, the manufacturers, and the people working every day behind the scenes in Sialkot. Their work helps bring the game to life. From the first panel to the final shipment, every step reflects dedication, precision, and excellence. This is the journey from Sialkot to the World Cup, a journey powered by craftsmanship, protected by quality, delivered through global logistics. The next time you watch a football fly across a World Cup stadium, remember that its story may have started in the streets and factories of Sialkot, Pakistan, a city where passion meets precision, a city helping shape the world's biggest game. If you enjoyed this story and want more behind-the-scenes journeys from global industries, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next documentary. Thanks for watching.